guys! We're in Flying Tiger. I found earrings. We're finding hair tie naman. Okay guys, so I already bought my earrings and hair tie. Hahanapin na namin yung food club, food hub, something, because nandun ang aming family. We will eat there for my birthday dinner. Let's go. Okay guys, so ni-ask namin yung isang guy kung nasan. Basta Adidas lang natandaan ko ba?
Sabi direction ako hanggang makita Adidas and then turn left.
I don't even know what's kanan or kaliwa.
I mean, it's English, so left. Left, where's left? Ayun o, Adidas.
Bababa ba daw?
No, he didn't say anything.
Paano lalabas kung nasa taas tayo? The carousel. Yeah. Don't get distracted. We're lost. Okay, update namin kayo guys. Oh,
Exit
we found it guys. Saan yung entrance?
Lalabas to.
How? Ayun.
You are here. You're.
Okay, let's go.
Ayun, Maris ko.
Ayan na, nakakapagod na. Ayun na guys, nagtatawag na sila ng tao. Tayo, gusto mo ikaw muna mag-heels? Yeah. We're in guys. Nakain na rin yung iba.
Oh yeah, what's that?
Parang Oreo, crushed Oreo.
Ooh, wait, I want.
Alat ako. Wait, I'm gonna add this also.
Their ice cream is sweet. Oh well.
Althea! Gusto mo? Hi guys! This is from Tito Guya and Namya family. Ah, thanks guys! Ah! Thank you! Hug, hug!
Hindi pala ako kasali doon.
Thank you! Thank you, kiss! They're here!
Sabi nila yun. Alam na nila.
Pabilisan. 3, 2, 1, go! Happy birthday, cousin! Thank you!
Happy birthday. Thank you po. Happy birthday.
Dito pa. 3, 2, 1. Sapa, 3, 2, 1. Ayun na guys. It's a success. Mag-hi ka sa vlog.
Hello guys. Happy birthday.
Anong wish nyo kay Iya?
Iya, happy birthday. Sana dumami yung 1,000.
Yay! Althea, anong wish nyo kay Ate Iya? Anong wish nyo kay Ate Iya? Say happy birthday kay Ate Iya. Happy birthday, ate. Ano naman? Anong wish mo? Happy birthday, Kasi. I love you.
Hi guys. Happy birthday, Ate Iya. Happy birthday, Ate.
Hi guys! We are the birthday months today. Mga may birth months ng June. And here's our pic.
For your information, ako muna nagsabi ng happy birthday sa kanya.
Guys, yes. Guys, nabaliw na tong kasama ko. Let's see the pretty eyelashes. Pretty eyelashes.
Mababalo tayo. Mababalo.
Hi guys! So we are done eating. Palabas na kami ngayon. Hi guys! We're gonna go sa photo booth for our family.
Alam ko, super ganda dito. Hi guys! Andito sila. Oh, hi guys na. Paano ito iharap? Ito na! Yung mga props.
Hi guys! We're done na!
Wow! Ako daw yung vlogger. Ay, ano pong masasabi niyo po?
Ano po?
Dito sa...
Hi guys! Honey, can we Wait lang. I wanna keep that also. Hi guys! Uy, pakita mo kung take a picture. Pause.
And guys, papunta na kami sa guys. Miniso guys, magbibili na doon ng mga laruan. Miniso! I like Miniso! Mami! I like iba! Videohan mo ako! Hi guys! Here's my teddy bear. And okay na ako bumili.
Ano, show your Kuromi. Yay! Hi guys! Pasarado na yung festival mall. It's, anong time?
9:03.
It's 9:03 guys. It's 9:03 and pasarado na yung mall. Pasarado na yung ibang places here. We're gonna go na guys sa car namin. I'm so happy with our photo booth.